Hi, here we are again. In this video, we will talk about how the logo ratio actually works. We have one of the logo I designed here for my clients. It's a TH Studios with a 45-degree angle and form as a triangle. And this is the ratio guidance I have created. As you can see, we have a 1 ratio here, 2, 3, 4, and 6 ratio here. So how does it actually work? It's actually pretty simple. So let's go straight to it. I'm just gonna create a rectangle here for the base. It's 1 ratio. And then I'm just gonna create another ratio. I'm just gonna duplicate the 1 to make a 2 ratio, and then I'm just gonna make another ratio here, the 3 ratio. As you can see, the logo have a 45 degrees. I'm just gonna rotate this 3 ratio to 45 degrees. This logo is pretty simple though. As they say, the logo are so simple, that's why it's so hard. I mean, logo have a lot of thoughts behind it, and a lot of research, a lot of data, a lot of philosophical thoughts of the company, and our job is to compress all those information into one purest abstract form as the company face. And that's a hard thing to do. It's really hard. That's a hard part of this job, and that's why we got paid. And that's why graphic design is not cheap. So this is pretty much it. Yes. Create this 3 base ratio. I'm just gonna make it a time lapse from here so you can understand the process quickly. So that's how we make the logo. Now I'm just gonna make the typeface here. I choose a Mesa Grande font. Remember when when designing the typeface, still have to use the ratio system, so the logo will be balanced. Check out my other videos about how to create a perfectly balanced logo here. just gonna make it a center to the icon or logo. Alright, it's done, and that's it. That's how you create a logo using a math ratio. See you in the next lesson, and thank you very much.